Hello gentlemen, greetings to you all. Today I am going to share a little on vacuum filtration and unlimited possibilities of rubber belt vacuum filter, the Koru belt. But before that, a little bit of Konark filters. We are committed to filtration since our modest beginning in 1995. We have several patents to our credit in this critical field. We are exporting systems and knowledge to the developed nations as well. Our products are highly rated by all the end users. Continued patronage by many blue chip companies, MNCs, and foreign clients is a testimony to our credibility and trustworthiness. Let me take you through vacuum filtration and into the wonderful field of rubber belt vacuum filter, the Koru belt, the ultimate in vacuum belt filter technology. Only vacuum filtration can meet some of the industrial large-scale production needs. Endless, high-quality rubber belt support the endless filter cloth through which all the process of filtration takes place. Filtration, multi-stage cake washing, dewatering, cake discharge, cloth cleaning and cloth alignment are all simultaneous and continuous. Details of the rubber belt is seen here. In the last image, one can see the vacuum box aligned with the discharge ports of the rubber belt very clearly. Koru belt offers high degree of product recovery. Vacuum application is truly continuous in nature. It produces cake of uniform thickness. Countercurrent re-slurry cake washing gives good results. Overall, Koru belt gives excellent process control without tears. It is the ultimate dream of the process department. It needs least operation and maintenance cost. The entire operation is controlled by state-of-the-art interactive PLC.
Feed, filtration, countercurrent cake washing, cake discharge, cloth washing, and echo cake washing.
For more clarity, let us look into them separately.
Feed, filtration, countercurrent cake washing, cake discharge, cloth washing, and echo cake washing. In echo cake washing, water used for cloth cleaning is diverted for countercurrent cake washing. The traces of solids which could have escaped with cloth wash water is also recovered with this process.
Let us take a look at the video clip. Feed, mother liquor filtration, cake washing, wash liquid filtration, cake discharge. I hope I have been able to transfer my fascination of rubber belt vacuum filter to you all. Thank you very much and have a good day.